Welcome to Black Hat Hacking series. So in this video we are going to cover the second part of social engineering. So here I'm going to show you such kind of a PDF which will make a very good impact on the victim's brain. Like this one, invoice. If I open it with my browser or with any PDF opener, you will see that there is a blurry PDF and it says that it's secured and we have to unlock it first to open it. So if you send this type of a PDF to maybe CEOs that someone paid you, or an invoice that from a bank, or you have to pay $10,000 to the bank, and this is a secure document, only authorized people can view it. So they will think that okay, I am pending with some dues by the bank, and it's safe, it's secured because of only so that only me can open it. So the person will click on get the key, and once he key, he'll be redirected to some exe file would be downloaded in his computer, or he'll be redirected to some phishing page or somewhere where he have to log in with his email and password, and you will get his email and password. Whether you can redirect him to a phishing page or whether you can serve him a download or a Ramcos file will be downloaded on his computer once he click on the get the password link. Now how you can create this type of PDF on your own? I'll show you. First of all, you need a software named as Acrobat DC. This is the one, Acrobat DC Pro version. I will add it in your downloads folder, this one, so that you can download it, and this will be like this one. So first of all, you have to run this one as administrator. That's it, and then you have to just double click and next, and it will install. So once it's installed, you can open it and we can create it. So first of all, we need a invoice like this one, invoice. For this type of invoice, you can get it, you can type it on the Google invoice, you can click on the images, and you can download any type of invoice which looks good to you as a picture. Like this one is also good. So you can choose any type of invoice here which you feel okay. Then what we have to do is we type on Google blur image online, and you have to open this website lunapic.com. So I have to browse, like I'll be using this invoice which I have already downloaded the picture. Open it, and it will blur it. You can also adjust the level of blur more or less, but I think it's fine now. You have to click apply, and then you can save it. If you see, it's blurry now, and now you can copy it on your desktop, and in your Acrobat now we'll click create PDF from a file, and I will choose this blurry image. Now we edit the PDF, and we have to add a lock symbol. So we will type, we need a picture like unlock PDF. So you can download any picture from here, but I have already one like this unlock symbol. So add image, I can so I think in the center it's good now. So now what I have to do is this image I want to make a hyperlink. Add, I select this area, choose open a web page, next, and here we have to give a link. Let me give a link of like WinRAR download. Basically here you have to give a link of any like hack.com/ramcos.exe. Here should be your website which you have hosted on the QHoster, or in that you can upload a Ramcos file and you can link it, so that once they click this link to unlock the PDF, they will be served with a Ramcos file, and if they double click on the Ramcos file, you will get their complete computer control. But I'm showing you with the example of WinRAR. I copy link address and I can paste it, that http winrar.com winrar.exe. Okay, and now we can save it on the desktop with the name of final PDF, and this is your final PDF. So if you send it to anyone, and even you can attach this PDF into Gmail or anywhere. If you open it with any of your browser, this is how it will look like. You can change the invoice or change this type of icon depending upon your need or depending upon the looks. So if I click the unlock icon, I am served with WinRAR, but you can link it via Ramcos file from your cPanel. And so if someone click this one, if it's Ramcos, that's it. We will get their full computer control. So this is one of example of a social engineering with which you can also make people fool very easily, as I have demonstrated in one of my old video, where I have explained about concepts regarding the extensions, that a PDF is either it will be a looking like PDF, or either if you want the extension exactly to be a PDF, then you need a silent exploit. But if you do not want it extension to be exe and you do not have even a silent exploit, you can use this type of method where you're sending a real PDF to the people, and through PDF we serve exe and we get the control. Like rather than sending a direct Ramcos file, we send a PDF, and through PDF we can redirect them to the Ramcos file, and from Ramcos file you get their full control. So the first thing which you send to them as a PDF, which makes a more big impact to the victim, that you are not sending something malicious, you are just sending some type of invoice, and for security reasons the PDF is locked. So it will look more original to the victim, and there will be more chances that you will get their victim computer control. So I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.